Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So now that I'm finally getting back on track and started posting videos regularly on the channel, I have so much of pending work left to do. Keeping that aside, for the next coming few days, I have planned some amazing content for you people and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it. That will be something like completely different guys, so stay tuned for that. Keeping that aside, what I've observed is in the past few weeks, whatever PC builds I've done, most of them were based on AMD only. So I thought, chalo, this time we'll do some Intel related gaming PC builds also. And I actually haven't made any 11th gen Intel builds at all, especially the budget ones testing out the 11th gen i5 CPUs. So that is what I'll be doing next. If you talk about the budget range, I'm planning around like 60k or 70k guys, and also something around like under 1 lakh rupees. Just let me know what budget you would like to see and I'll plan around that budget. Keeping that aside, for the same thing, I actually bought a brand new motherboard. This one is from MSI. It's their all new Mag series B560 Tomahawk Wi-Fi edition motherboard. And today in this video guys, I'll be unboxing it and I'll be sharing complete details on this product. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here's our new Mag series B560 Tomahawk Wi-Fi edition mobile from MSI. Comes in this sort of box packaging. I'm very excited to unbox and show you this product. This mobile comes with the all new B560 chipset and supports both Intel 10th gen and the new 11th gen CPUs also. Previously we've covered plenty of Z590 boards on the channel, right? But this is our first B560 mid-range board that we'll be checking out. It comes with PCI Gen 4 support, Mystic RGB lighting on board, and going to the backside, we've got some more features mentioned like the Tomahawk Wi-Fi features a premium thermal solution, offers next-gen connectivity options, and also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 as well. So those were some of its highlights. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. There you go. On opening it, we've got the Mobo at the top and oh, what's this? Looks like some sort of accessory box. Wonder what's inside. अरे ये तो अपना Wi-Fi antenna है. I was expecting maybe some freebies from MSI. Keeping that aside, here's our much awaited motherboard. Comes packed like this. So before we actually check out the board and talk about all of its features, let me quickly show you all the accessories. You get a lot of paperwork over here, just make sure to read them. You also get a free sticker pack in the package, a driver's CD which probably no one will ever use, some M.2 heatsink screws, and lastly SATA cables. That's it, these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the Mobo. Here it is, MSI's all new B560 Tomahawk Wi-Fi edition Mobo. Holy moly, now that is a class looking Mobo. Clean, elegant and minimalistic. I love this black and metallic grey color combination that MSI has used. Looks quite premium for the price. So what I'll do is I'll give you all a closer look at it and then talk about the design, build quality and all of its features. MSI's new B560 Tomahawk is an ATX Intel motherboard that features LGA 1200 socket. That means the Mobo supports both the 10th gen as well as the new 11th gen Rocket Lake CPUs. It features a 12 plus 2 plus 1 duet rail power design with core boost technology to efficiently deliver the power demanded by the CPU. The motherboard has 4 DIMM slots as you can see in the video and supports a max of up to 128 gigs of memory. If you ask about the storage, well, the B560 offers one lightning-fast PCI Gen 4 M.2 slot with a Shield Frozer heatsink, 2 Gen 3 M.2 slots, and 6 SATA ports. I've told you at the beginning, right, this board offers next-gen connectivity features, like it's got that all-new Wi-Fi 6E support. I was totally not expecting to see that on the B560 series. So apart from the usual 2.4G and 5 GHz bands, it also supports a 6 GHz spectrum as well, which offers almost like 4 times more the network bandwidth and is quite efficient even in highly dense environments. And yes, along with that, you do have 2.5G LAN port and Bluetooth 5.2 support as well. Not to forget, even the audio section on this board is special. Powered by Audio Boost processor and high quality components on board, you can expect superior quality sound while gaming and also with great signal to noise ratio. See, the overall build quality of the board is pretty good. As usual, MSI has used a 6-layer PCB with 2 ounces of thickened copper, has large blocks of heatsinks on the VRM area to keep things running cool, and they've used good quality thermal pads as well to efficiently transfer the heat. Well, that's it for today, guys. That was our unboxing and complete overview on MSI's new B560 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Edition motherboard. As I've told you at the beginning, I'll be making a special Intel 11th Gen i5 build using this motherboard, and in that video, I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback, like how the board is performing and all that stuff. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Let's wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.